everyone, welcome to the Mom and Baby TV channel. And today video is not a food recipe video, neither it's a review video or it's a DIY video, but it is a video of my haul, a book haul, and few extra things which I bought for my daughter from the World Book Center, which took place in Pragati Maidan in Delhi. Pragati Maidan is in the east side of Delhi, India, and this is a huge book fair where like hundreds of publishers participate. You need almost like a day to visit each and every stall, and in fact a day is less. Like we reached there at around 11 in the morning, and even by 6 we were not able to cover up even the half of it. It is so huge, guys, and if you are a voracious reader, you're going to have a gala time out there. Even if you are into ebook reading, then also you'll enjoy visiting that place of the kind of enthusiasm which everybody shows into the book. And you also might find some of the authors also there signing their book. And before I show you what I bought for my daughter, I would like to show you few clippings which I made there to give you a glimpse of how it is like in World Book Fair. So let's begin. The clippings, and I'm going to show you what all I got for my daughter. My daughter is 2.5 years old, and as this fair takes place every year, so I bought things as per her age, like what she will be or she would like to do after an year also. Things which I liked and things which I thought will be helpful for her. So I'll first start with this cute Hanuman book which I got, and everything was of it was on discount, like it was like 20% discount, 15% discount, etc. And it's this book was available in many other characters as well. I picked up Hanuman because she is fond of this character, and it was of 95. It's quite a nice print book. Second thing which I bought is this Happy Birthday Mouse. This is basically a book to it's a hardcover book to tell the kids about the happy birthday and how Mouse celebrated its birthday. It's of $2.99. This too was also on discount. The second book which I bought is the Big Phonics Workbook, and this is something which will help her out in the coming months, where there are quite a lot of activities for each letter. For example, here is the letter N. So first activity is find the big N on the sticker page and stick it here. So basically here they have this sticker page. Let me show you where is the sticker page. Here is the sticker page, and you have to pick stick it. You have to take this out and stick it here, and then the second thing is write a big N in the air. So you can ask the child to write an N and then write an N on the table. So cute little things, color in all the things below that begin with N. For example, there's a nest and there's a net. So, and green end sticker next to those pictures. So all these things which are creative and which develop interest of the child, and it's not difficult as well for a 3-year-old or old. So I got this book. It's quite a big book, and it costed me 500 with some discount. Book which I got is this Wipe and Clean book. I'm sure everybody must be aware of this book. In this, basically the pen is missing. I don't know where I kept it. It can be the first fun way to learn writing for the kids. Basically you can try, basically the child can just join the dots, and then if it's wrong then they can wipe it also. So that is quite an interesting book in the sense that a lot of paper also, and it's nice, it's creative, and it's fun. There's this pop-up fun book which is basically like this. This is of Pinocchio. She liked this character, and it's these kind of books build interest of the child in reading also. She likes these kind of books, though they are a little expensive, but I like to buy it for her. This is of 4.95 with some discount. Cut and paste book which I got, where you have to cut this animal and then ask the child to paste it here. Page has some cutting and pasting activity here. Pretty interesting, pretty creative, and develops the child's interest. This book is basically The Animal Under the Sea. It's a felt book where the child can understand and learn the many animals which are in the sea. It's a small book but interesting, and helps in creativity and learning. This book was of rupees 2.95 with some discount. The things beside the books is these poster. These are activity poster, action words, basically singing, walking, writing, skating. You can just hang them. Hang these posters. They were of just rupees 60. This one is basically the opposite, fat and thin, up and down, happy and sad, like that. Another fun thing and very interesting thing which I got for my daughter are these 2 activity boxes, and pretty excited to work with her with these. Basically in these boxes you have like 40 activities. So basically you can do 1 activity a day. I'll show you inside of the box. Also, this is basically level 2 here, and there are a lot of things which I would like to show you in this box. Probably I can make another video on this also. And in this, whole of the activities are given. If you are a mom who likes to teach the child at home, or if you are homeschooling, this box is very beneficial, and they were not that expensive also. This is for like 40 sheets are for 500 bucks, and they gave me some discount also on these. I got level 1 and level 2 for her, and probably I'll do another video on these, and I'll explain how this activity will help and what kind of activities they have put in. These boxes are basically for teachers and for play school teachers, but they were giving it in the stalls there because they wanted to promote all these activities. And there were many other things as well there which I didn't get because I already got a lot of stuff for her. Probably next time when we have the World Fair, then I'll get many more things, and she'll be more, in fact she can pick by herself that time. So that is it guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you would like to see more video like this, then hit the like button so that we know what you would like to see. I'll see you again. Till then, bye bye.